So, what are the best penny stocks to buy on January 6, 2025? Well, number one recommendation is Boxlight Corporation, stock symbol BOXL. It is up today 215% or 99 cents, trading at $1.45. Since this morning, it already traded 107 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is about $16 million. So, not sure what this company does, but all I could tell you is that for the last 6 months, it was pretty much, hovering around, let's say, 30 cents. Wasn't really going anywhere. Nobody was trading it. Nobody was interested in that stock. So, and, it was just a matter of time when it would get delisted. However, some kind of news arrived today, and suddenly the stock is producing huge amount of volume of 107 million shares, which tells you that whatever news they released attracted a lot of new buyers, and these buyers are pushing the stock sky high, pretty much tripling it in one day. So if I were you, I would take a look and see what's going on there, and maybe if this thing is still hot enough and promising enough for the future revenue and profits of the company, maybe you should pull the trigger and put some money into it. But be careful, because you're putting money at a 6-month high for the stock. So if the news don't work out, you could crash back from $1.45 back to 30 cents. So, Boxlight Corporation, stock symbol BOXL, only $1.45 a share. Next one is Fubo TV, stock symbol FUBO. It is up today 175% or $2.53, trading at $3.98. Since this morning, it already traded, listen to this, 318 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap for the company, though, is $1.4 billion. So, what can I tell you about this company? Actually, Fubo TV is kind of like, I guess, pretty famous or popular, well-known, kind of like Netflix type of company that, they show TV. I'm not sure if they show movies or they show some like sports, but it's basically kind of like a subscription-based service where you could, watch content that is being hosted by Fubo. So, for the last 6 months, the stock wasn't really doing any kind of movement. It was basically hovering around $1.20, not going much up or down. And the main thing is, it was traded, but it was traded very kind of like lightly. So, but some kind of news arrived today, and suddenly the stock is producing a huge amount of volume of 321 million shares. So, and it's obviously attracting a lot of new buyers. And the stock jumped, 200% basically, and is trading right now at 6-month high. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what's going on there, because it's a, kind of famous or, I don't know, popular, well-known company, so to speak. And maybe whatever the news they released, something major that will actually propel this company to much higher levels, like it's doing already right now. But be careful, if you pull a trigger and jump in at 414 right now, again, you're buying at a 6-month high. So if something doesn't work out, it might crash back to $1. So be careful. So Fubo TV, stock symbol FUBO, only $4.09 a share. Next one is Original Health Properties, stock symbol RHE. It is up today 164% or $2.55, trading at $4.10. Since this morning, it already traded 37 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is about $8 million. So, what can I tell you about that? What can I tell you about this company? Well, it sounds like it could be a pharmaceutical penny stock, because we have the word health inside of its name. So, and just like I told you before, we have about 800 penny stocks that are pharmaceutical penny stocks trying to develop some kind of new medications. So, and I think Regional Health is probably one of those companies. I'm not sure. But the main thing is, for the last 6 months, it was trading around $1.50. And when I say trading, it wasn't really trading. It was just a few hundred shares, maybe a day, but nothing special. Nobody was interested in the stock. So, however, some kind of news arrived today, and the stock pretty much, almost tripled in price. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what kind of news they released and how powerful this news are for the future of the company. And if it is really, important and powerful news, then maybe you should put some money into it. So, Regional Health Properties, stock symbol RHE, only $4.17 a share. Next one is Spark Limited, stock symbol SPRC. It is up today 118%, or 62 cents, trading at $1.15. Since this morning, it already traded 158 million shares. Market cap of the company, though, is about $14 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? Well, I think maybe it's some kind of technology company because it sounds like science, spark, whatever, However, the main thing is that for the last 6 months, the stock was pretty much kind of like trading around 20 cents, not really going anywhere, but just down. However, something started to happen about 2 weeks ago. They had the first significant jump from 20 cents to 40 cents. And on pretty nice, volume of probably around 200 million shares. Then the stock started to go down, then start to go back up. But basically, today they released some kind of news, and that produced huge volume and a huge price gain when the stock effectively more than doubled in price. So if I were you, I would take a look and see what's going on there, because the stock is building a very bullish trend, and who knows how high it will go. So if you decide to get in, maybe you should, put some money into it. So Spark Limited, stock symbol SPRC, only $1.14 a share. Next one is G Group, stock symbol JOB, like the word job. The stock is up 92% today, or 20 cents, trading at 41 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 80 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is about $46 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? Well, for the last 6 months, it was doing nothing but collapsing. It went from like 40 cents to 20 cents on practically no volume at all. So whatever news they released today, it kind of reversed their fortune, because suddenly the stock is attracting 80 million shares in trading volume, which is a record trading volume for the stock, and producing, 100% gain. So something major was released by this company in terms of news, and it's propelling the company to much higher levels. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what's going on there, maybe put some money into it. So G Group, stock symbol JOB, only 42 cents a share. Next one is Magic Empire Global Limited, stock symbol MEGL. It is up today 63%, or 35 cents, trading at 92 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 71 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is about $19 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? It was hovering around 50 cents for the last 6 months, not going anywhere, no trading volume, basically nobody was interested. However, some kind of news were released today, and the stock is going wild. By producing, first of all, 72 million shares in trading volume, meaning a lot of new buyers coming in. So take a look, see what's going on there, maybe put some money into it. So Magic Empire Global Limited, stock symbol MEGL, only 90 cents a share. If you want to find out other great stocks, go to this website. Thank you for your time and good luck trading. Bye-bye now.